Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a popular Ghanaian snack. It's called Koose, and it's just black-eyed peas. That is, we're gonna soak this in water overnight. Then we're gonna add some spices, ginger, onions, egg, and then we're gonna fry it. We're gonna blend it together with this, but we're gonna soak this overnight. So I'm about to soak it, and then we'll blend it together and fry it tomorrow. This is 1.5 cups of black-eyed peas. So here it is. We're gonna have it soak overnight. We soaked the black-eyed peas overnight, and so we're gonna blend it together with onion, an egg, and hot pepper. We're also gonna add some ginger and some salt to it, about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're also gonna put water. This is 1/2 cup of water, but we're gonna. So we're gonna cut our onions, and we're gonna add it to our black-eyed peas in the blender, and then we'll add our pepper, salt, and ginger, and then we add our 1/2 cup of water to it, and we're gonna blend it together. Now we're gonna add our egg to it, and then we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of water. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and then we're going to blend it together. Perfect consistency. So now you could test it and see where your salt is at, and then you can fry it. Salt is good. It smells really good. So now we can fry it. So that looks like beautiful. So this is 1.5 cup of black-eyed peas soaked overnight, blended with 1 onion, 1/2 pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg, and also 1/2 cup of water. So now we're gonna fry it. Make sure that the heat under your oil is not too hot, because otherwise it will fry in the inside, it will burn and the inside won't cook. And then deep fry. It's cooking beautifully. I'm gonna add one more to this corner. Koose is cooking beautifully. Should be done between 5 to 7 minutes. Koose has cooked beautifully, nice and golden brown. I'm gonna put it in a strainer too. Have this with breakfast. You can have it as a snack in the afternoon. gonna put the next batch in. It's very healthy for you. It's all protein. So there's your Koose. I hope you try it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Take care of yourself and bon appetit.